Hey everybody, Jeremy here with MarineMax Nisswa, and welcome to another walkthrough video on the MasterCraft XT20. This is a 2024 model that we just brought into the photo booth to get pictures, video. We're going to give you a look at this beauty in the black and gray accent. It's just a gorgeous looking boat. Wait till you see the interior on this one, but first we're going to come back to the stern of the boat, show you a feature that we did add on this one, the swim step, which is a nice, easy, handy step to put up and down. Let's go up and take a look at the interior. All right, as we've reached the inside of the boat, you can see we did upgrade to the cool feel sandstone interior. Very, very nice, rich, high-end interior. It doesn't get hot in the sun. I like on the XT models how we have a lot of walk-through area, so we're not stepping on any seats. New in the last couple years, no more handle here. We have a nice, easy entrance into the boat, so we're not stepping on anything. We do have the reverse seat on this one here. Allows us to face backwards, or we can lay it down as a nice playpen bed area. A little footrest when we're hanging out on the boat as well. We do have the SeaDeck flooring on this one here. It gives us a nice look with the embossed XT20 logo here on the floor. Step down inside the cockpit. Let's check this out. We have the 7-inch screen with our analog gauges. Of course, this is going to have our Surf Star system, giving you a setting of 1 through 7 on the MasterCraft Wave, completely customizable for any rider, any size, any age group of surfing. So really nice. BTS windshield. This is one of my favorite MasterCraft features, allowing us to see the water better, catch the rider, grab a dock post. Really nice, elegant look as well. As we come to the bow of the boat, MasterCraft is also known for always having a nice walk-through door, blocking our wind there. It's very recessed in to the sidewall, keeping it nice and out of the way. And of course, with the XT20, we have our wide pickle fork bow, allowing us to sit whichever way we want, nice and comfortable. We have a lot more space than a traditional bow. So that's the XT20. Beautiful looking boat. Come check out more photos and pictures at marinemax.com, or you can check us out at MarineMax Nisswa anytime. We'll see you for another video.